Hello everyone and welcome again to our channel Harry Viral. In this video, today we will learn about how to set print title in every page while I print the document. So let's get started. You can see here I have B2G column and the data is all about 2826 rows. So if I print this, and you can see here my title header is here, and if I go to number 2 page, I cannot see the page title. So I want in every page the titles. So for that, first of all, I will go to here, page setting, page layout, and then I will click here, print titles. After this one dialog box open, and then you can see here print area is this much. Yes, and I will select print area, B3 to busy, and the page titles here, see, it will be row to repeat at top. Then I want to repeat the this one, this B, this third row as a repeat at title. So I will choose this one and see the print preview. Now I will see, go to page 2, and now I can see in every page I can see the my title is shown here. So in this way, just go to print titles and row to repeat at top, select the row number. So here is is row 3. So if I want to change the row 4 or any, I can change. So for now I need this row and click OK. Now I go to print, Control P, and see the changes. In every page I can see the title is coming out. So in this way you can put the page header in every page. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit the like button and do share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.